Hey guys, it's Damon here from DecoExchange, and we're going to make one more fall wreath with a little pop of black and white. Alright? So let's get started with our bow first. Get you guys zoomed in down here. So on this one, I'm going to mix a mixture of burlap and black and white. So 16-inch tail, 6-inch loops to start. So you want that loop to be, when you put your fingers through here, to land on that 6-inch mark. So we're doing 3 loops on each side. With the burlap. Get that cut off. Then we'll do 2 loops on each side with this little pop of black and white. A little bit shorter tail. This black and white, y'all, it's amazing. That's all I can say. Alright, it's a little bit shorter. So you're going in about a 1/2 inch on every loop. This one has a nice texture and a nice wire in it, so it really holds its shape. Super simple to work with. Alright, then we'll cover this back up with the pop of the burlap to kind of mute that stark, bright black and white. Zip tie. Zip ties sometimes hold your bows better into grapevine wreaths. If you struggle using zip ties, y'all just pipe cleaner it. Alright, so you want to get it somewhat secure so you can slide that next one back there. Now before you tighten this off, make sure your bow looks somewhat how you want it. It's harder to move these loops around once you have it all tightened up. Alright, so we'll put this off to the side for now. But y'all, this is going to tie in really pretty with the colors that I have here. Alright. We're going to add our bow on last, though, this time. Alright. Starting with our basic leaves again. This time, y'all, I'm thinking I'm going to do it this way. So build out... We're going to build out here and here, and our bow will hang down. Alright. Let's build out both ways first. So we do want to leave a little gap here for our bow. Next, we'll go with this fun cotton stem. right on top of that. See how this is falling forward a little bit? We may take a pipe cleaner or a zip tie and attach it to the grapevine. We just have to see how it looks when we get closer towards the finished product. Sometimes the other stems will help hold it in place. So y'all, we're just layering these up. Getting a nice amount of glue on there. And then these fun little picks. Look how cool. So the idea is to continue layering these over and over again so that they just build right on top of each other. Once that glue dries, we'll sit there and mingle those in a bit. Alright, last piece. Alright, so you saw as I built, I made this hole in the middle get smaller and smaller. That way when we go to add the bow, we don't have any issues. Alright, let's get this bow in here. The only issue I may run into is getting it attached. Alright, got it wrapped around the grapevine. So try not to go around the outside of the grapevine, always try to weave it inside the middle. Pull this tight. Then we'll get it to flop over a little bit. Alright. So you see how this piece back here is kind of sticking out all willy-nilly? We'll try to bend these in just a little bit. They're all wired, so they should do just about anything that we want them to. This piece up here, I will find my little baby zip tie, come down below the area where it's noticeable, and just zip tie this little guy right onto the grapevine to keep him where we want him. Almost done, y'all. After this, we just gotta clean those bows up a little bit. Alright. So we'll start on the bows and just curl these tails. Loop wasn't where it's supposed to be. Alright, once again, you can find all of these supplies at DecoExchange.com. And that's it. We have one more nice, quick, eye-catching, black and white popping wreath to go into our stores. Alright, thanks y'all.